We are here at CoinDeco and we are looking at the prices today. So let us see, let's take a look. Oh, Shiba is number, I'll log in here later. Shiba's number 27. Now we are 3.3% in the green in the last hour, and in the last 24 hours we are 31.8% up.
I love it.
So the volume, let's see, the 24-hour volume, as you can see here, it says 1,996,693. So, you know, when everything dipped, they were saying that it was
game over.
They said it was game over for Shiba. Now, do you really think that this is the end for Shiba? Do you think that Shiba is only here for a temporary time? Or do you think that these gains that we see now, the 3.3 in the last hour and 31.8 in the last 24 hours, are good? Do you think that we're gonna keep on going up? Well, I just want to tell you,
Must be strong like bull.
and if you've been holding, you are not a but let's look here. Let's go to Shiba, and I know a bunch have a bunch of people know about it. I know that when Shiba came, they were calling it the dog killer, the Dogecoin killer, which, you know, it makes sense for marketing. It definitely made me want to, you know, invest in it, because, you know, as soon as I heard Dodge Killer, I was, and you know, I wanted to know I could invest. Why? Because I was thinking that, you know, it was gonna be like the next Dogecoin. We all know what happened to Dogecoin. We know that a lot of millionaires came up from Dogecoin, but I honestly think that this is just a start for Shiba. Now, whenever they, you know, there's a lot of people that say, "Oh, this is a scam coin. This is that." Well, I don't care. to hear anything. I don't want to hear any negatives or anything, you know, because the market has shown us a lot of things that a lot of things are not really by fundamentals or you know blah 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 etc. Now a lot of people told that to the people that got rich off of Dogecoin, and look where they at now. So you know, for the people that say Shiba is a scam coin,
boy, bye.
We're not interested in your feedback. But let's see here. Let's look a little bit at the chart. So in the last 24 hours, Sunday 23 May, you can see the price at 0763 yesterday. So we went up. We went up, and as you see, it's making higher lows, higher highs again, and continuing to come back. So, you know, does it have to do with the Bitcoin coming up? Maybe, but we'll see. I mean, we'll see how many are gonna hold and keep going, because honestly, I think this is a fight, and this is just the start for Shiba, and we are not going to rest till we murder the Doge coin.
Fatality.